was completely disappointed. She went home and she almost had tears in her eyes. She said, "What rubbish do you write? We raised you so well, we've shown you some great plays, we had great stories, great acting, great dialogue. What is this trash that you're writing? Please do me a favor, don't spoil the family name. Stop writing plays like this." Supermodel, she used to do some television show, some fashion show on ZTV. And she saw the show. At the end of the show, when we came for curtain call, she came running on the stage. I am not even a Bengali. To say, "Amar ma na bolle to ami likhbo na." So I started writing, and in this story, there's a model for all of us. If there are any pretty girls in the audience, and I see lots of them around, if at the end of the show, if you like the show, any part of it, one line, one joke, just rush on to the stage when we come for the curtain call, give me a tight hug and give me a kiss. If you don't like the show, not one thing, zilch, nothing, still come on the stage, just give me a small peck and say, "Don't write again." And I won't write. So that's out of the way now. Let me tell you about the show. In this show, we make fun of everything. We make fun of politicians, of course everybody makes fun of politicians. We make fun of television newscasters, airlines, budget airlines, admissions, everything. There are two subjects we don't touch. We don't touch religion, and I don't touch women. I mean, I touch women like that. I love that. But in my writing, I don't touch women. Those are dangerous topics. No matter what you do, somebody takes objection to it. So we don't do this. And second thing is, once all of you are inside, we shut the doors and lock them from outside. It's like that Prithvi Theatre thing. They also do the same thing. And for years, people believe that Prithvi Theatre locks the door so latecomers can't come in. That's not true. People who are inside, when they see what's happening on stage and don't understand it, when they want to leave, they can't leave. That's where they shut the door. And we do that. People are waiting. Audience is waiting, sir. Sir. Yeah, just please come. This is your ticket. This is a ticket for the first bottom of 25 years ago. Of course, you can't get a seat here.
I told you I was a little late.
You're not a little late. You're 25 years old late. This ticket is old.
Now so is the show. Everything looks old here. It's the same old you. It's the same old audience and the same old things you're telling them.
There's nothing new. My costume is new. Our set is new. Our dancers are new. Our actors are new. So don't tell me you want skits and dialogue also to be new. How greedy can you get? Listen, sir. We can't help you. You can't get so greedy. Please.
I'm sorry if you can't give me more.
I can't
give me a refund.
I can't give you a refund. Please leave.
I'm not leaving. I'm like
I'll have to call the security, sir.
Call the army.
Please leave. Security.
I'm not leaving.
Security.
Not budging. I want a refund.
Security. I don't know. Security.
Keep calling.
You wait now. Security.
Yes, sir.
Security. Take him away.
Security. Yeah, some things have changed. This one's new. Security. Take me away.
That's why Shakespeare said that the whole world is a stage. Because even in life, when you're standing on center stage trying to do a good job, there's some idiots like you who come and mess up things for you. But then if you toss the coin of life and come up with tails, there is a way of making it heads.
Well, the concept of the show is complete madness to start off with. It's a very old format which is called the review format, in which you take topical subjects, what is happening in our day-to-day life today, and make little funny skits about them, string them together with a lot of music and dance, and that's the show.
What really made you be part of the show? Means what was so exciting, so interesting to be part of this show?
Well, first of all, Bottoms Up is an iconic show. It's 25 years ago it first opened. When we were all young, we've all watched the show. Bharat and me has been worked together many years ago. And when they decided to revive this iconic play or review, I said, why not? What the hell? It'll be good fun, you know.
And what kind of response was from the audience side?
Today's response is fantastic. I think people are rolling in the aisles.
And my last one will be, Ashwin Gidwani has produced fabulous show in the past also. So what is the specialty about the production house as such? If you're talking about?
Well, it's Ashwin Gidwani Productions' speciality is they market the show really well. Yeah, we are 100% sure that the show is going to go places. We're going to travel a lot with this show. The whole country will be able to see this show, and Indians all over the world will be able to see this show.
And related to your future projects, as you're working in a theatre play or a movie?
Well, we've just opened this. At the moment, time for a new play is a little difficult. But yes, there are some plans. Cyrus Brocha and me are planning some stuff. And maybe in the next 6 months, let's see.